Preamble to the Indian Constitution. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign socialist secular democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly this 26th day of November, 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. Preamble, an introductory statement that sets out the guiding purpose, principles and doctrine of this Constitution. Preamble gives an idea of the following. 1. That the source of the Constitution, 2. Character of Indian country, 3. A statement of its objectives and 4. The date of its adoption. Source of this Constitution. We, the people of India. The slogan, We the people of India, highlights that the Constitution is made by and for the Indian people and not given to them by any external authority. It also highlights the concept of popular sovereignty as laid down from Rousseau. All of the energy emanates from the public and the political system will be accountable and responsible to the public. Nature of our nation. Sovereign, India is internally and externally sovereign, externally free of the administration of any foreign domination, and internally, it has a free government which is directly chosen by the public and makes laws that govern the people. No outside power can command the government of India. Socialist, socialism as an economical doctrine where means of production and distribution are owned by the state. India adopted mixed economy, in which besides the country, there'll be private production too. Socialism as a social philosophy stresses more on social equality. Secular, features of secularism as envisaged in the preamble would be to mean that the nation is going to have no religion of its own and all persons will be equally eligible for the liberty of conscience and the right freely to profess, practice and propagate the religion of their choice. Democratic, indicates that the Constitution has established a form of government that gets its authority from the will of the people. The rulers are chosen by the people and are accountable to them. Republic, as opposed to a monarchy, in which the head of the nation is selected or until he renounces from the authority, a democratic republic is a circumstance where the head of nation is chosen, indirectly or directly, for a fixed tenure. The President of India is elected by an electoral college for a period of 5 years. The article of the President of India is not hereditary. Every citizen of India is qualified to become the President of the country. Objectives of Indian state. Justice, social, economic and political. Equality, of status and opportunity. Equality, of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship. Fraternity, brotherhood, guaranteeing the significance of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. Date of its adoption. Date of adoption of this Constitution is the 26th of November 1949. Those articles which were created on the 26th of November 1949 as awarded by Article 394.